Filter data frame rows if value in column is in a set list of values. And I want to get all the rows of some stocks together, such as 600,809, 600,141, 600,329. That means I want a syntax like this. Since pandas not accept above command, how to achieve the target?
Use the Yixin method. rpt stk underscore id dot Yixin stk underscore list.
Yixin is ideal if you have a list of exact matches, but if you have a list of partial matches or substrings to look for, you can filter using the str.contains method and regular expressions. For example, if we want to return a data frame where all of the stock ids which begin with 600 and then are followed by any 3 digits. Suppose now we have a list of strings which we want the values in stk underscore i.d to end with, for example. We can join these strings with a regex or character, and pass the string to str.contains to filter the data frame. Finally, contains can ignore case, by setting case equals false, allowing you to be more general when specifying the strings you want to match. For example, would match pandas, pandas, pandas 123, and so on.
You can also use ranges by using
You can also directly query your data frame for this information, or similarly search for ranges.